Hey there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today I am making a fun slimline birthday card with some of Trinity Stamps' newest released products, some alphabet dies, a scripty slimline sentiment, ice cream cone dies and stencils. I'm going to show all the new things to you right now. So this is the Modern Embossed Alphabet and Number set. There's an embossed line all the way around each letter and number. This is a cute new die set, the little layered ice cream cone dies. Here you can see what all the pieces look like when you die cut them. There's lots of different ways to configure this in different layers. It's a super fun die set. And there is a coordinating stencil that you can get to go with it. And next I am using a new slimline die that's very unique. It's a scripty word made for slimline cards. And it just says birthday, so you combine it with stamps you already have, dies you already have, and of course, alphabets, right? Okay, let's take a look at this stencil in action. I have the ice cream cone already die cut out. This is the solid piece, so it's got the top and the bottom. And I'm using that stencil to add color. So I have vanilla cream ink I'm adding to the bottom, and then over the top I have some hazelnut ink. I'm going to add that detail for the waffle cone, and it looks super cool. I already did the solid layer of the ice cream, and then I'm going to put that detail over the top. So for that layer, I'm going to use Aqualicious ink, so it is a little bit darker than the color I used for the solid ice cream. But having this detailed layer for both the top and the bottom of the ice cream really bring this to life. And I can use this top part of the ice cream without masking off the bottom. There's enough space in between. I love it. And look how amazing that turned out. I think it's just super cool with all that detail. Next, I have a background made with a polka dot stencil. I wanted to show you this stencil set. It's a set of 4 with different sized polka dots. And here you can see my polka dot background. I just had it in my stash. It's made with acrylic paint, but I thought it was a really fun background for this card. I've die cut my letters actually from some craft cardstock and my numbers from some yellow. I'm mounting those to my ice cream cone, which I did a little shadow layer by cutting out that whole ice cream cone again from the same teal cardstock as my birthday, just to make it have a fun, whimsical, like drop shadow. And then I put the 16 right on the ice cream, and I thought that was a super cute way of making a sweet 16 kind of birthday card. So once I laid everything out, I knew it was all going to fit on there, and now it's just time to glue everything in place. So I started backwards with my S and then filled in all the letters to create the word wishes. Next, I'm going to use little tiny dots of glue on this scripty die cut birthday, and then I'll add that in the middle. Now some of the longer parts of the letters or taller parts of these letters are going to overlap my alphabet, and I think that looks really fun. So now it's time to add in the word sweet. So I'm just taking my time with placement and spacing. I'm going to speed this up so maybe it doesn't look like that, but if you're like really worried about your spacing and getting things straight, you can always use a T-square ruler, but to be honest with you, I find I mess up more when I have that. So I'm showing you now some new embellishments. This is the gold glass and silver slipper glitter rhinestones. So it's gold glitter in a rhinestone. They're super cool, and I thought for some reason the color of these really went well with my card. They're like almost yellow, almost that have that little undertone of that craft color. Like it was just the perfect embellishment for this card. Plus, you got to bring in a little element of glitter, right? So I put some of those on my card using my pickup stick, and then I have this cool little tidy tray. I can pour what I have left over right back into that container. So very helpful. Okay, this is getting mounted onto a slimline card that is 8.5 by 3.5, and that is giving it a nice white border all the way around that kind of helps draw your eye into the center, and I just love that look so much. So there is my Sweet 16 birthday card, but I think it's just fun to have the 16 over to the side and personalize it really with any number. You could put a different number on there, but sweet birthday wishes. And the colors are just fun and bright and super summery. I really love this alphabet. It's like 1-inch high letters, so perfect for multiple kinds of projects, scrapbooking, card making, all those things. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. If you want more of Trinity Stamps, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook too. And I'll see you on the next video. Happy stamping! Bye!